Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe it and click on the bell button so that whenever we put our next video, you will get the notification. Today we are going to start question number 6 of exercise 8.1 trigonometry chapter, book NCERT we are following. Question is there on the board. Please have a look on the question. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, show that angle A is equal to angle B. See how we are going to do this question. We need to draw a diagram. I told you before that every time whenever we are going to do the questions, we need to draw a diagram. Let's have the diagram first. Let's suppose this is a right angle triangle. And see, A and B are given acute angles. So what I am going to do, I am putting A here, B here, and C I am going to use here. Why? Because A and B should be acute angles, right? And what we are given cos A equal to cos B. Now what is cos? We know that cos is base upon hypotenuse. In our previous lectures we have covered it, right? Cos is base upon hypotenuse. Now cos A equal to cos B, we need to write the required values now. For cos A, when angle A I am using, A and 90 degree collectively make a base. So for angle A, base will be AC, right? So I am going to write AC over hypotenuse obviously remains same, so it will be AB. I hope you are clear with this, because angle A and 90 degree collectively making base as AC. For cos B, now angle is B, so B and 90 degree base is BC here. Hypotenuse, no doubt it remains same, it is AB. Now both sides AB is there in the denominator, which can be cancelled. So what we will get out of it, we will get AC is equal to BC. Now have a look on the diagram. Here it is AC and here it is BC. When two sides of this triangle are equal, it becomes an isosceles triangle, right? When AC is equal to BC, that means what can I write? Angle opposite to AC is B. And angle opposite to BC is A. What's the reason why I am able to write it? There is a property we have studied in 9th class. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So I hope you are clear with this. Implies I can also write angle A is equal to angle B, hence proved. This is what I wanted to prove. So see, it is very easy question which can be done. And let's move now to question number 7. Let's move to question number 7. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, then evaluate. These first and second parts are there on the board. We need to do method we had done in our last lecture. We are going to follow the same method. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. What we need to do, first draw a triangle. Right angle triangle we will be dealing. So right angle triangle A, B and C. B is 90 degree. Let this angle is theta. Okay, now we are not using A, we are using this as angle theta. Cotangent theta is B upon P. Do remember, it is B upon P. When it is B upon P, that means what we need to suppose, let us revise previous concept. Let base, what is base? Base will be AB. Why AB? Because angle theta we are using, and this angle and 90 degree together makes this base. So let base AB is equal to, value is 7, so I am considering it as 7K. Then perpendicular, let perpendicular will be BC. Let perpendicular BC is equal to 8k. So I have supposed 7k as well as 8k. Let me write here. This is 7k and this is 8k. So what we need to do first, we need to find AC. Using Pythagoras theorem, find hypotenuse. That is the first step we should do. How? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? This formula will be used. AB is 7k, BC square यानी कि 8k square, 7 square is 49k square plus 64k square. Now add these two. 9 plus 4 13, 7 plus 4 11, 113k square we get. And finally taking square root on both sides, value of AC will be root 113k. So I hope you are clear with this. Till now what we are done, we have found all the sides of the triangle. This side has become 113k, under root 113k. Let's move to our next step, because first part is 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. How we are going to solve it? I'm going to directly start the calculation. Look here, 1 plus sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 8k. And hypotenuse, it is root 113k. Right? So here 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus value of sine theta is 8k upon root 113k. Same values I am filling here. And in denominator 1 plus cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, right? That means 7k over root 113k. Then 1 minus 7k upon root 113k, right? K and k cancelled. All k's will be cancelled. Now what will it become? Just look carefully. It's becoming a formula a plus b, a minus b. This formula could have been used directly also, because 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta, a square minus b square could have been used. But let us use it now. A plus b, a minus b, that means a square minus b square, means 8 upon root 113 square. And in denominator a square minus 7 over root 113 square. I hope you are getting the concept clear now. What will we do ahead? 1 square is 1, 8 square is 64, and root 113 square is 113. And in denominator 1 minus 7 square is 49 over 113. So calculation is very easy now. It's not difficult. Let's see what we need to do ahead. I am doing the calculation on this portion because already we are done with this. Let us see what will it become ahead. We need to take LCM now. See, 113 is there. So in numerator 113, LCM will come. Okay. And 113 multiplied with 1, we get 113 only. Then 64 is there. In denominator, again 113 LCM and 113 minus 49. See, this 113 and 113 are cancelled. We are left with 113 minus 64 and 113 minus 49. So here 113 minus 64 gives me 49 and 113 minus 49 gives me 64. So our answer of first part is 49 minus 64, right? So it's very easy. And second part is cot square theta. We need not to do any kind of calculation because cot theta is already given 7 by 8. What I need to do, just write 7 by 8 square and its answer will be 49 by 64. I hope 7th question both parts you are clear with. Now 8th question and 9th question, both questions are having same kind of concepts. Please try them at home. We are going to start now 10th question. Let's move to last question of this exercise. 10th question. In triangle PQR right angled at Q, PR plus QR is given as 25 centimeter and PQ is given as 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sine P, cos P and tangent P. This is very easy question. Let's have a look how we need to solve. First we need to draw a diagram here. This is the diagram. Triangle is given as PQR right angled at Q, so I'm making 90-degree angle at Q, so P, Q and R. Okay, PQ is given as 5 centimeter, so let us consider PQ as 5 centimeter. PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. This is PR, this is QR. I am considering QR as X centimeter. Okay, let QR is X centimeter. Now see, PR plus QR, these both together it is given as 25 centimeter. Value of QR is X. So what will be the value of PR? It comes out to be 25 minus X. So I am writing 25 minus X for the hypotenuse. So when I have got perpendicular, base and hypotenuse all the values, what I need to do, I need to use Pythagoras theorem. So I am going to use here Pythagoras theorem. This is hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse square means 25 minus X square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. That means I need to write X square plus 5 square. I hope you are clear. Now A minus B whole square, that means A square. A square means 25 square and 25 square is 625 plus B square minus 2AB. 2 minus 2AB if I use, I'll get minus 50x is equal to this X square and 5 square is 25. What my next step will be, this X square and X square will be cancelled and we will get 625. This plus 25 will come to left side and will be subtracted, and minus 50x will go to right side, will become plus 50. So we get 600 is equal to 50x, and finally value of x will be 600 over 50. 0 and 0 cancel. In the table of 5, answer will be 12. So x is 12. Finally, this x12 means this QR is 12 centimeter. 25 minus 12 when I'll do, I'll get this value as 13 centimeter. So I'm going to show here. QR is 12 centimeter now, and PR it is 25 minus 12, that means it is 13 centimeter. I hope you are clear now. Now see, it's very easy. Now we have got all the sides of the triangle, and finally what we need to find, look here, we need to find sine P and what else, cos P and tangent P. See, just we need to write answers of these three trigonometric ratios where angle P is used. And when angle P is used, what will be angle? Sine means P upon H, right? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So its answer will be, what is perpendicular? It's 12. Hypotenuse is 13. So answer will be 12 by 13. Cos P. Cos P means base upon hypotenuse. What is base here? 5. And hypotenuse is 13. So its answer will be 5 by 13. And last is tangent P. Tangent means perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 12 and base is 5. So its answer is 12 by 5. So we are done with all the questions of exercise 8.1. Yes, 2 questions we didn't do today because it's an homework for you all Please try them. Maths is all about practice. If you do questions yourself, then it will be easy for you to attempt the same questions in exam. I hope you are clear with the concept of this exercise. In our tomorrow's lecture, we will start next exercise. Anyways, thank you so much, but please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell button also. Thank you so much.